So quite a few people in my comments asked what hair did I use to do my Microlock extensions. So I figure I could show you better than I can tell you. Yes, I got them from Amazon. This is 8-inch premium Afro Kinky bulk human hair. It's about 30 grams in a pack, and it's around $16 a pack. They come in other colors, even though you can dye it yourself because it's considered to be human hair if you want to do that. And I have the color 1B because it matches best with my hair. Check out this playlist for all of the tutorials. Here is my hair before the installation, freshly washed and retied. Here is after the installation. I only used one pack to add extensions to just the top center of my hair. So I hope this answered your question. Make sure you check out the playlist to see how I installed my Microlock extensions to make them look curly on the ends, and I'll see you in the next video.